Here's some South African Apartheid trivia. Subscribe. What was the policy of racial segregation in South Africa? Is it A, Jim Crow, B, apartheid, C, racial equality, or D, Segregation Act? The correct answer is B, apartheid. Which anti-apartheid leader was imprisoned for 27 years? Is it A, Desmond Tutu, B, Nelson Mandela, C, Kenneth Kaunda, or D, Oliver Tambo? The correct answer is B, Nelson Mandela. What act legalized racial segregation in 1948? Is it A, Civil Rights Act, B, Immigration Act, C, Group Areas Act, or D, Nuclear Safety Act? The correct answer is C, Group Areas Act. Which organization was led by Nelson Mandela? Is it A, South African Party, B, African National Congress, C, Pan-African Congress, or D, ANC Youth League? The correct answer is B, African National Congress. What year did apartheid officially end in South Africa? Is it A, 1989, B, 1992, C, 1996, or D, 1994? The correct answer is D, 1994. What year marked the start of apartheid legislation? Is it A, 1926, B, 1956, C, 1948, or D, 1932? The correct answer is C, 1948. Which significant court ruling recognized the legal status of mixed-race marriages? Is it A, Loving v. Virginia, B, Brown v. Board, C, Roe v. Wade, or D, Plessy v. Ferguson? The correct answer is A, Loving v. Virginia. What movement aimed to free South Africa from apartheid? Is it A, globalization efforts, B, peace accords, C, civil rights movement, or D, South African liberation? The correct answer is D, South African liberation. What violent incident led to international outrage in 1960? Is it A, Sharpeville Massacre, B, Kent State shooting, C, Birmingham riots, or D, Tiananmen Square incident? The correct answer is A, Sharpeville Massacre. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.